and we got a package today. I have been talking to a performance place and we finally set something up for my bike. I have not done anything on my bike just yet. I got an arm on it. I got Ghost Tune to tune my bike. I have, what else do I have? I had a custom paint job. Just little things here and there, but this is the first big thing that I've got for my bike, which I am super excited about. Sorry, I'm so excited. We got it today and I have been tracking it since literally they shipped it out, and it was all the way in Ohio. Went from Ohio to Charleston and then to Winston-Salem and then to my house. So, wow. The place I have been talking about is Brock's Performance. They have been super cooperative with me. They respond really well. Even Brock himself messaged me and he and I were talking through Instagram about stuff, about what will really sound good on my bike. I didn't want something too loud. I didn't want something too quiet. I still like to be loud. I like people knowing that I'm there beside them, and I've had many people just cut on over. I mean, people with bikes, they understand. I couldn't get something too loud because I do like to still ride my bike daily sometimes in the summer. We're on tornado watch, by the way, so you're gonna hear probably lots of thunder. He and I like to ride together, and he gets annoyed real fast whenever it's a loud exhaust bike. So, well, cat's out of the bag now. I got an exhaust. So, let's open it. As you can tell earlier, I was opening something else that I've received today and sliced my finger open on the razor. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, by the way, only a few people have this exhaust, and I happen to be one of them. So, so excited to see it. If you don't know who Brock's Performance is, look them up on Instagram, or I will be posting a website underneath the video. I will get it one day. I always have problems with opening boxes for some reason, so be patient with me, please. Congratulations on your purchase of your new Brock's Performance products. Exhaust system. They're just papers on how to install it. I'm assuming, yeah. And a banner. Hey, look at that. That's kind of cool. Something else to hang up in the trailer. More banners. I love banners. Oh, let's put this up. We got a t-shirt. More t-shirts to ride in. I'm retarded. Hey, oh, I love the color. It's a baby blue. We're gonna have to cut it and make it look cute, but I love it. It's a little big. Definitely gonna have to either tie it up when I wear it or we'll cut it. I see a hoodie. Okay, so if y'all don't know me, the people that don't know me, I love hoodies. I'm obsessed with hoodies. I have 2 closets full of hoodies, mostly black, because I wear a lot of black. My boyfriend yells at me all the time because I steal his hoodies all the time, and most of the time we have the same hoodies. So I got an obsession with hoodies, and I got a hoodie, so I'm super happy. Yo. And it's black. Perfect. So perfect. Stupid fast. One day, I will be stupid fast. Just gotta build myself up to it. Hopefully you can see that. Another t-shirt. I did this one right this time. Ooh. That's pretty. Reps Performance. I like it. We'll make this one cute too. I love it. They sent me this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read up on how exactly to do all this stuff. But it should be easy, and it should be a bolt-on type of thing. Oh, stickers! More stickers! I love my stickers. I got Brock's Performance stickers, and I got Stupid Fast stickers. These are going on everything. So they sent me the headers. They sent me everything. Ooh, they're black. Pretty. More header things. More header things. More header things. This is the part that I'm super excited about. Don't get me wrong, I love my hoodie though. See if I can open it without hurting myself. Ow. See, I hurt myself so easy. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm so excited. Oh! Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh my God. So I went with the black because I think it'll look better with my bike. Changing my bike color, instead of having it white and red, it's going to be just about this color. Yeah, I'm so excited. Went with Stupid Fast because that's what all the fast guys have, and I want to be cool, so I got Stupid Fast. And the tip is actually red and carbon. I went with red and carbon because I'm going to stick with red on my bike. I love red, that's my favorite color. That and black, so it goes perfect. But if you can see it, it's so pretty. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I will post more pictures of it, or I will post pictures of it, period. But oh my God, it's gonna look so pretty. I can't wait to hear it. It's gonna sound so good. I kinda wanna go out there and do it now. So yeah, it's my baby. It's so pretty. Ah, I love it. Oh my God. I can't get over it. So, I want to give Brock's performance a huge shout out. Sorry. I want to give them a huge shout out and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will be making a video of me putting it up or installing it and taking my fairings off and probably giving her a deep clean because she needs it. It's so pretty. The red is dark, but it doesn't stick out too much, but you can definitely tell it's still carbon. Oh, this is the new Penta carbon exhaust, by the way, and it is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous and amazing. They haven't released it just yet. They will be releasing it, I believe, in the 1st of spring. And I got one. I'm so excited. Damn, it's pretty. Can't get over it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Brock's Performance. And they literally got it to me in 3 days. 3 freaking days. And I got all this stuff. Oh my God. Like, I will be posting pictures of hanging the Brock's banner up. Also, let me know if you come to Streetcar Takeover because I will be there. I'll be there. Boosa Catfish will be there. I'm That Boosa will be there. Sir Rich I Am, something like that. It's someone who I always post on my Instagram stories. We will be there. Also, Grant Performance will be there most likely. Him and his wife. Lots of people from Charlotte that we ride with will be there, but mostly my main people, which is I'm That Boosa, and Boosa Catfish, and Richie, and Grant. Oh, Grant. And Joe. Joe will be there. So, let me know if you go to Streetcar Takeover, and for the one that is coming up, I'm not completely sure on the dates, but I know it's coming up because it's the 1st of the year. Let me know and you can see it in person. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to put it on my bike and get to hear what it sounds like, because right now I have a crappy old SC eBay exhaust that actually came off a ZX10. Sounds like shit to be honest, but I've been rocking it for a while because I had a M4 exhaust on it, but it was too quiet. I didn't like it. It was super long. I like this because it's shorter than the M4. Not hating on the M4 because on some bikes it does sound good and look good, but it's just not on mine. I didn't like it. So yeah, I'm excited to be posting the video and put it on my bike. Look how cool it looks. Oh, and all. So pretty. So pretty. Alright, well, stay tuned for the video of me putting it on my bike. I'm going to try to put it on myself, but Boosa Catfish, my boyfriend, he will be there most likely to help me and be like, hey, that goes there, that goes there. So, I'm excited. So excited. See you next time. So excited.